Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something every car owner should know: the symptoms of bad shocks and struts, especially for those shiny new 2025 models. If you've ever felt like your ride is more bouncy than a trampoline, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. First off, what's the deal with shocks and struts? These are key components of your car's suspension system. Shocks help absorb bumps and vibrations from the road, while struts do that plus provide structural support for the vehicle's weight. In 2025 vehicles, they're even more advanced with better damping technology, but they can still wear out over time due to rough roads or heavy use. So, how do you know if yours are going bad? Let's break it down. One of the most common signs is excessive bouncing. If your car keeps bouncing after hitting a bump, like it's got a mind of its own, that's a red flag. Another symptom is uneven tire wear. Bad shocks and struts can cause your tires to wear out unevenly, which means more frequent and costly replacements. Then there's the issue of braking. If your car dives forward when you brake or takes longer to stop, your shocks might be failing. This isn't just annoying, it's a safety hazard. You'll also notice steering problems, like the car pulling to one side or feeling unstable around corners. Don't forget about noises. A clunking or rattling sound when you go over bumps could indicate worn-out parts. And if you spot fluid leaks around the shocks, that's a definite sign of trouble. In summary, ignoring bad shocks and struts can lead to poor handling, increased wear on other parts, and even accidents. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms in your 2025 ride, get it checked by a professional right away. It could save you money and keep you safer on the road. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Drive safe, everyone.